Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your background in Spotify's Instagram story. So it's pretty simple. Play your music which you want. So let's say I want to share this music, The Killa by KSI. What I want to do is after I open the music, I need to click on the three dot at the top right of the screen. And then I need to click on share at the bottom. From over here, I need to click on over here where it says edit. If I click on edit at the bottom, I can choose whichever color I want, just like this. So tap on the color which you want. After you choose the color, just click on done. And just like this, the background color has changed. Now let's upload this to Instagram story. Click on stories at the bottom which has the Instagram logo on it, and it's going to open up your Instagram, and then it's going to take you to your story. Click on where it says your story at the bottom, and then it's going to upload it on your story just like this. So that is how you guys can change your background in Spotify's Instagram story. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.